A wonderful morning to all my dear students. Today, in continuation to our lesson number 7, that is Fearless Fighter, we are going to discuss C6 exercise, and that is read the following extracts and answer the questions. And first part is, what is the extract? Let us read it. Whoever wishes to swim in the channel has to fulfill two conditions, right? And you all remember that when this happened and when this sentence has been spoken out, this happened when Janki was facing an interview because she has to qualify to swim in the channel, to participate in the event. Okay, so let's see what is the question number A. Who is the speaker of these words? And you all remember that who is the speaker who was asking this? One of the members of English Channel Swimming Association is the speaker of these words. Now question number B is, what are the two conditions? Now the next is that just to qualify this event, just to prove that the person is capable to participate in this event, that person had to fulfill the two conditions. And what were those two conditions? Remember, you must be remembering that Janki answered this question. She already knew it. And what were those? First one should be able to spend 10 hours continuously in the water. This was the first condition, right? And second condition was, one should be able to swim in a high sea for long hours without a break. मतलब क्या है कि हाई सी का मतलब है द सी विच इज़ डीप एंड हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ challenges over there, means tough portion of the sea. In that sea also, the person should be able to swim for long hours, for long time period without a break. These two conditions to be fulfilled by the participant who wants to participate in this particular event. So this is first extract we have discussed. Now we are going to talk about the second one, and the extract is, although Janki had wanted to make a solo attempt, she could not do so. This is the extract. Okay. Now the question is, question A, what does solo attempt mean? Now here solo means something to be done alone. Okay. So what does it mean? Solo attempt means to do something alone, right? Next one is B part. Why was Janki not allowed to make a solo attempt? And this reason we have read in the story, that Janki was not allowed to make a solo attempt because the special boat which was required, which was needed to accompany her for her safety was not available. Right, this was the reason. The reason was not that she was a physically challenged girl. No, this was not the reason. The reason was that a special boat which was required for her safety, because she was a physically challenged girl and no risk of life had to be taken. So that's why that special boat was required, but it was not there. So that's why she was not allowed to participate in a solo attempt, whereas she was given a chance to participate in a relay. Okay, in a relay competition. So this is the answer. So that's all for today's work. Have a nice day. Thank you.